Hello, Eric here from Laserscanning TV. And in this episode, I retweet my own video. And if you like to know why I retweet this video for scanning in motorsports, then stay tuned. Let us start. So we had this video was taken during the IRCC races in Netherlands in Hengelo, and I done this interview with Lukas Boening is the name of my interview partner, and he is the same like we, a partner of motorsport teams in International Road Racing Championship in the Supersport class. He's like for us like a teammate. We are supporting this team, and he is also supporting this team. And in this video, he speaks a little about the job what we done together with scanning for motorsport, scanning and Supersport Yamaha R6, and make this more customized and more faster for the pilot and for the racetracks. So here's you see some preview from the job, and now in this video we speak a little bit what we are doing, and I move a little bit forward. We use a Shining scanner and Shining HX scanner, was definitely good enough to reach our target to create new parts for this bike. So, and we need a digital copy of the reality for his computer. I think I'm not sure, but I think he works in SolidWorks. So, and what we are doing, so we developed from the scan data, like in the rear of the bike, we make a new holder for the bremse disc. Then he also changed these whole adapter, and we can use a complete other axis for the rear wheel, and and also another holder for lift up our bike, and the other axis coming from the endurance championship, and allows us to easily move out our rear tire, and this gives us good advantage because we scan also later the front fork and do the same there and do a re-engineering, and this allows us to change quickly the tires between the races or even on the grid if condition changed from maybe sunny to wet condition. So what we scan here was also the complete fork, like also the top of the fork, like the fork holder. I don't know how was the existing English name for this. And we scan also we developed also on the data set here this new fender for the front tire. That's complete new what you see there, where we have the ZF sign, and he also make a lot of new adapters for the front fork. So, and this allows us to use I think you will show it now, to use a special, you have it here, like a special lifter for the front tire, where we can lift up the bike. And with this lifter, the lifter automatic push out later. We can easily take the axis out, and the lifter also make it able to take out these the brakes from the holder, and we can take it easy the front wheel out. So that is one big advantage. And then also we scan the whole fairings, the side fairings and the front fairings, and we developed a complete new fairing that have a complete other shape, and looks more like now a Supersport Moto 2 bike from the Moto 2 championship, and as the original stock, or like usually stock race parts what is original on the Yamaha R6. It gives us in complete other looks, but is also should be having better aerodynamic for the race. So, and also, but this we don't do by, you can see it here, the complete seat condition here, and also the it's also new. What we also make new here is the inside. There's also a complete other tank inside, what's having a lower position. Here see how Lucas is using a scanner from our rental fleet to scan the motorbike here. So this you see is the original Yamaha R6 fairing, and now we have new one. And based on all the data, he can go away from his place where where the bike is staying, to his place where he's living. This might maybe 400 kilometers, and he had the complete data set inside. He don't need any extra measurements. He can develop everything on his computer and create the parts, and afterwards we only tool the parts together, and then we are happy. So that's the big advantage, to have a scan data set. You don't have to go every time back to your bike or to your object. So, And yeah, afterwards we had a little discussion how he come to developing race parts, and he originally was also interested in motorsports. He was part of an endurance ship team, and then they figured out that he is a good CAD technician, and he started by developing parts, and afterwards he generates more and more parts, and also doing then getting more and more jobs by recommendation in the bubble. Also he don't have an internet website or in social media account, so it's he people knows from different teams. So but if you are maybe not from Germany and you need contact and you have a job for develop parts for race engineering, we are maybe can connect you to Lukas. So then drop us an email, and then we can give us the contact data, and you can connect it by Lukas. So, and then finally you see the very good results, what we can do with scanning. We generate this such nice race bike. I think it's one of the best looking and but also technology wise one of the best bikes for the IRCC championship in 2024. So, and with this I will drop my email, and here you see the generator of the part there, Lukas, until our next interesting video from this Messbus series. Was Messbus means like measurement van. So this I'm reporting if I'm in the field. So then we are done, and don't forget, maybe you send this email to somebody who is interested or like us. You know, here we have the email, so you can write him an email if you like. There we have it. I stop it for you. So with this I will end my video. Bye bye, Eric, until the next.